In 1 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 16 and 17, the Bible teaches that we are spirits living in flesh. So we read, "Know ye not that ye are the temple of God, and that the Spirit of God dwelleth in you? If any man defile the temple of God, him shall God destroy. For the temple of God is holy, which temple ye are." Where does the Spirit come from? The source or origin of the spirit of every human being, in every human being, is the Creator. And by this, we are limiting ourselves to God, the Creator of our solar system. This is very important for us so that we don't confuse ourselves. We are saying that the source or the origin of the Spirit in you and I is God, the Creator of our solar system, not other solar systems. We are also not talking about the dense body, but we are talking about the source of the Spirit. So, you and I, our spirit is a step-down extension of God, a differentiation within God, not outside of God. We are made in His image and His likeness. Let us take note that as spirits, we are not yet experienced to create like God, the Creator. We are young spirits learning how to become creators. We have all the potentialities, the qualities of God, but we need to develop them so that at the end of our journey through matter, we can do the following. 1, create like God. 2, add value to the Godhead. That is why we have to undertake the journey through matter to acquire experience, to develop our potentialities. It is like the way we go to school to become a professor. We need to start from the basics, to the elementary, then to the high school, and later to tertiary. At every point, we learn and become better people. We make mistakes, of course we do, but have the opportunity to correct them. Where is the Spirit located in the body? You and I are spirits. The real essence in us, the real divine essence in us, where is it located? The Spirit cannot be seen by anybody because it is not a physical essence. But its presence and reflection in matter can be perceived or felt. The Spirit is of God, uncreated. The Spirit has never been created because it is of God, pure, and for humanity, innocent and inexperienced at the beginning when it was differentiated in God to begin its journey through matter. Its 3 spiritual aspects were activated, one after the other. First, the divine spirit was activated. Second, the life spirit was activated. And third, the human spirit was activated. These are all aspects of the one and only spirit called the Virgin Spirit at the beginning of its journey. It is like how a child is born, and biological changes take place one after the other in stages all the way to adulthood. So when we talk about the divine spirit aspect, the life spirit aspect, and the human spirit aspect, let us not think that they are 3 different things with different areas separate from one another. They are not. They are all put together. But one comes after the other, just like maturation of the child to adulthood. We cannot argue against the point that the changes that unfold in the child were inherently in him, each manifesting at the right time. So the child unfolds those aspects one after the other. All of them do not come out at the same time. It's what we are describing in respect of the spirit. The maturation of the three aspects, the divine spirit, the light spirit, and the human spirit, transforms the virgin spirit into the ego. That's why sometimes we mention on this platform spirit or ego. Actually, the virgin spirit is the pure and innocent spirit that has not even gotten its aspects activated. When those aspects are activated, the virgin spirit becomes the ego. And we are, humanity, our spiritual aspects have been activated. The three aspects, appear as light or color and can be perceived by only highly developed persons. We are talking about spiritual color, not physical one that we can use our naked eyes and see. There are spiritual colors. But let us talk about the primary colors, because the primary colors reflect physically the spiritual ones.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.